What's up guys, welcome back to LaFilleChic. I'm Bidisha and today I'm doing my second unboxing on this channel. The first one was the Euphoria August box last year I think. This one is a GlamEgo January 2019 box. So without wasting any time, let's start the unboxing. Why does it smell so good? It smells damn good. Nice box. It smells so good. This is how the box looks like and it's so pretty and it smells really good. The moment I open the outer box and then it smells really good. I'm really excited to see what smells this good. Let's see what's the first thing. Okay, there's a card, the info card with the product listings. I'm gonna read out all the products as I unbox, otherwise I'll get confused which one is what. What do you want to pick up? This clinically proven and trusted by doctors and for various hair and scalp diseases and disorders. Is this oil? I don't use oil. Gentle massage on scalp and hair. I think this is oil. I don't know if I'll use it because I don't use hair oil. So yes. Okay, that was the first product. This is a good product. The only thing is I don't use hair oil so much. So maybe I would be using it. But I may give it a try. Let's see. Anyways, this product is for rupees 130 and yeah, by the way, I'll be mentioning the subscription plans of GlamEgo on the screen as well as in the description box below, along with the website from where you can order. So check it out if you want to order it for yourself or a friend of yours. Anyways, let's continue. Second thing that I see is, I'm interested in, is an activated charcoal purifying peel-off mask for men and women. 50 gram of product and it retails for $350, which is good because the box as a whole costs $399. So that is awesome. I'm actually really excited to use this. This is from a brand called Healthvit. I already said the price, and this is 50 gram of product. Next, there are 2 travel size packs of coconut oil body lotion. This is good because I always find it so difficult to carry moisturizers while traveling. I think this I'm gonna save for when I'm traveling. 2 luxurious body lotion sets and the price is not written, so this is kind of like a bonus product I guess. This was a very quick box. Anyways, the last product, this is a foundation, high definition foundation. It says formulated in Italy and this retails for $699. Choose shade of your choice. Oh, they did ask about what shade do I use, so I hope they got it right. Let's see. Open. I wish they gave me lipsticks or something, because that is safe product. Oh, oops. Looks nice. I've never seen reviews of this brand, but I think this will be a good product. Anyways, this one is 30 ml of products for $699 rupees. This was a quick unboxing. Actually for $390 it's good, and beauty products for $390 they actually can't give more than that, so I think I'm satisfied. That's it for today's unboxing. Comment below what unboxing should I be doing next. Like if you want to try out some subscription box but you haven't bought it because you want to see somebody unbox it before you, do mention it in the comment section below so that I can order and unbox it for you on my channel. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.